Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Diana Bantugan, 35 years old, married, blessed with 3 kids. My husband is a housekeeping. My father is a driver. My mother is a housewife. I'm a high school graduate, and I work as a helper here in the Philippines in 5 years in one employer. I serve 2 elderly, 2 adults, and 4 children. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing the uniform of the children, and taking care of 4 children. Madam and Sir, if you hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and of course, I will finish my contract, or as long as you needed me, I'm here with you. I treat you like my own family, Madam and Sir, and I'm a fast learner and positive thinking. I'm honest, trustworthy, and of course, I'm a fast learner, Madam and Sir. I love to learn everything from you. I will listen to you very carefully. Of course, I will follow all your rules and regulation, Madam and Sir. I promise you that. And I will love your children, and all of you as my employer, Madam and Sir. Please, Madam and Sir, hire me. Please. I want to give my family a better future, and of course my children, most especially, Madam and Sir. Thank you so much, Madam and Sir. Please hire me. Thank you, Madam and Sir. Have a nice day. Thank you.